Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and cheese tacos. So let's get toasting. I'm going to cook these in my toaster oven, so I'm going to use this 10-inch cast iron skillet. Fits perfectly in my toaster oven. If you wanted to cook them in a big oven, you could use a baking sheet and just put a bunch of them on a baking sheet. But anyway, that is lightly oiled, and I put 3 of these corn tacos, street tacos, taco tortillas in there. So those are ready to go, and I have some chicken breasts, so I cut up part of one of these chicken breasts. I cut it pretty thin so it will cook pretty quickly in there. And this is chili mix, chili seasoning. So this has chili powder, cumin, Mexican oregano, cayenne pepper, chipotle pepper, black pepper, garlic, and onion in it. So I'm just going to use some of that. That works pretty good. And it has no salt, so I'm just going to add a little bit of salt as well. Get this all mixed together. And I cut the chicken strips pretty thin so that they will cook pretty quickly. Because I'm going to just put them right on top of these tortillas. And just let them cook, let the chicken cook right on top of the tortillas. So I'm going to spread it out, kind of space it out. I don't want it overlapping because like I said, I want it to cook pretty evenly. So I'm just going to kind of space it out like this. And I'll just get it on each tortilla. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this shredded cheese on top. This is cheddar jack. You can see I spaced the chicken out pretty evenly because, like I said, I want it to cook evenly. I don't want any of it overlapping where we might get some raw chicken. All right, that looks good. Now we'll get that into the toaster oven. I'm going to use the dark toast setting for this, but you can also use bake if you wanted to. Alright, that just shut off. It took about 7 or 8 minutes. Let's see how they look here. Looks like the chicken's cooked and the cheese is melted. Let's get them out of there. Those look good. You can eat them just like that. But let me top one off with a little bit of lettuce here. And also got some tomato and red onion there. And how about just a little bit of salsa? That looks pretty good, huh? Okay, let's try this baby out. I don't know how hot it is. See if I can get it off of there. It's all kind of stuck together here. So, pretty easy way to cook a taco. Whole thing, cook the shell and the chicken and the cheese all in one deal. All right, let's try this baby out. It'll probably be messy. I'll grab a little plate here. Turned out real good. Easy way to cook a taco. Annie's dancing around over here. Guess we better let her try it out. You want some, Annie? You want to try a little meat and cheese, chicken and cheese? Chow down. That works out pretty good. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.